Hello guys, today we are going to start a lecture on JavaScript, and this is my first new lecture for JavaScript course, and today we are going to start our lecture with an intro of JavaScript. So first I will initiate my lecture with some features which JavaScript have. So basically the first feature you can see in a JavaScript there is JavaScript is a language which is interpreted, and here we have to concentrate on an interpreted word. Interpreted means that if you write a code in a JavaScript file, suppose I will write a JavaScript file for the sometime I have to write a course. It will take some time. I have to write uh, here JavaScript script.js, name of JavaScript file. Okay, and it has been linked to our HTML file which we are going to create. Suppose we have write in this if we create a variable name const a is equal to 10, suppose, and document console. If we console this thing console.log to a screen, then we will get a value 10. We run this file alt lo. If we run this file, we inspect this page, console it, we can see that here a value is 10. So what we can understand by interpret word is that an interpret means language doesn't need to compile. It will run step by step. If we provide some code, let's suppose here we have provided code, this line of code, it will implement first this code, and as you have seen in a before language that you have studied, you can see that first you have to compile a file, and after compiling you will get a code that you are going to see. But in JavaScript is another case in which you don't have to compile file, you can just write a code and you can run it. So this things means basically interpreted word. And second thing we can see in JavaScript is that it also support ops like in Java you can see ops concept. JavaScript also support oops concept. Basically it is going to be on the second lecture, in the further lecture, because it is some little more harder to initiate in this first lecture, so we will move into the lecture. And third characteristic, which is more important, is JavaScript is an un untyped language. JavaScript is an untyped language, which means that variable can be used for every variable. Untyped, it is an untyped language. And JavaScript basically is used to provide you interaction with a web page. Suppose I will